Hey there, Snapchat users. If you're watching this in 2025 and you're dealing with that frustrating, suspicious login issue, you're in the right place. This problem often pops up when Snapchat detects unusual activity, like a login from a new device or location, and it can lock you out of your account. But don't panic. I'm going to walk you through simple, step-by-step fixes that work with the latest Snapchat updates. By the end of this video, you'll be back snapping with your friends in no time. First things first, start by verifying your account details. Open the Snapchat app or go to the website, and look for the Login Help or Troubleshoot option. Enter your username or email, and Snapchat might send you a verification code to your registered phone or email. Make sure to check your spam folder if you don't see it right away. This step is crucial because it confirms that you're the real owner of the account. Next, if verification doesn't work, it's time to reset your password. Head to the Snapchat login page, click on Forgot Password, and follow the prompts. Snapchat's 2025 security features might require you to answer security questions or use biometric verification like fingerprint or facial recognition. Once you've reset it, try logging in with your new password and enable two-factor authentication right away. It's a game changer for preventing future issues. Speaking of security, make sure your app is up to date. Go to your device's App Store, search for Snapchat, and install any available updates. The 2025 version includes enhanced AI-driven protections that can sometimes flag legitimate logins, so updating helps align your app with the latest safeguards. If you're still stuck, contact Snapchat support. Use the in-app help center or visit their website to submit a ticket. Provide details like your device type and the exact error message for faster resolution. While you're at it, review your account activity in the settings to spot any suspicious patterns. One more tip. To avoid this in the future, always log out from shared devices and use a secure internet connection. Snapchat's evolving features in 2025, like advanced location tracking, make it smarter, but staying vigilant is key. There you have it, folks. By following these steps, you should resolve that suspicious login issue quickly. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tech fixes, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe online, and I'll see you in the next one.